Hey guys, welcome to my video. As you can see by the title, I am going to try beef short ribs on my Cuisinart Oakmont smoker. So here I'm taking off the cover, going to check the ash pot and the grease pot, make sure that there's pellets in there. I don't know what was going on. I had popped a circuit breaker and I was having some trouble getting this hooked up and going. But getting the grill prepared to do a cook, so hang on. On my last cook, I had cleaned all the grills and put new tin foil on the heat deflector, or whatever that's called. But like I said, for some reason I had a circuit breaker pop and I wasn't getting power out here, but got that put together and gonna begin here in just a sec. Okay, we got the grill fired up, have pellets in there, and getting her up to temperature. I had a video of me seasoning the meat, but apparently my camera wasn't on or something. So today I'm going to try to do beef short ribs on the trailer. The beef short ribs on the Cuisinart Oakmont. So here's pictures of the meat. This is $40 worth of meat, so 2 packages. But anyway, got them seasoned up. They're out in the grill, and this is a long cook. Here I'm taking them out, but this is 6.5 hours before they got up to temperature. Here I'm wrapping them in butcher paper. I let them sit for 30 minutes. Just wrapped them up, put them on the plate. I don't know if that's the proper procedure or not. My gosh. I didn't think these would turn out. They look too gnarly. But boy, are they nice. This is my first try at short ribs. I think I made some errors, but not bad. Well, hey guys, thanks for watching. That wraps this up. Appreciate you guys. Bye.